If you have a Fire Stick and you're tired of watching your cable bill climb higher and higher, you've probably heard one term everywhere: IPTV. But what exactly is IPTV? Is it an app? Is it a special kind of Fire Stick? Do TV channels automatically show up after you install it? And most importantly, is IPTV actually right for you? Over the next few minutes, I'm going to explain IPTV in the simplest way possible. You don't need to be tech-savvy, and you don't need to understand complicated networking terms. By the end of this video, you'll know how IPTV works and exactly what you need to use it. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television. That may sound technical, but the basic idea is actually very simple. Traditional cable TV delivers channels to your home through dedicated cable lines. Satellite TV receives its signal through a dish installed outside your home. IPTV delivers television content to your device through an internet connection. That's the main difference. When you select a channel inside a compatible player, your device requests that channel from the service's server. The server sends the video stream over the internet to your Fire Stick, and your Fire Stick displays it on your TV. Think of it like internet calling versus a traditional landline. Both let you make a phone call, but they deliver the signal in completely different ways. Now, let's clear up the part that confuses most beginners. A Fire Stick is not IPTV. A Fire Stick is simply a streaming device that plugs into your TV. It can run Netflix, YouTube, and many different media players, but it does not automatically include IPTV channels. An IPTV player is not a television service either. Apps such as TVmate, IPTV Smarters, and XC IPTV are essentially media players. They can organize channels, display a TV guide, and play video streams. But installing one of these apps will not automatically give you TV channels. You still need a compatible, properly authorized IPTV service and the login information provided by that service. Here's the easiest way to remember it. The Fire Stick is the device. The IPTV player organizes and plays the content. The IPTV service provides the content. In most cases, you need all three working together. So, what can an IPTV service include? Depending on the provider's available content and licensing rights, a service may offer live television, an electronic program guide, on-demand movies and shows, and catch-up features for selected programs. Every provider is different, so never assume that all IPTV services offer the same channels, features, or content library. Now let's talk about internet speed. You don't necessarily need the most expensive internet plan available to use IPTV. A fast speed test result looks great, but a stable connection is usually more important. If the Wi-Fi signal behind your TV is weak, you may still experience buffering, even with a 500 megabit or gigabit internet plan. So don't test your connection only while standing next to the router with your phone. Run the test near the TV, where your Fire Stick will actually be used. That will give you a much more accurate picture of your real-world connection. There's one more important thing to understand. IPTV is simply a technology for delivering television content over the internet. Whether a particular service is legal and authorized depends on whether it has the proper rights to distribute the content it offers. Before choosing a provider, review its service details, terms of use, customer support options, and licensing information. Avoid services that make unrealistic promises or refuse to clearly explain where their content comes from. If you want to find out whether your Fire Stick, Smart TV, or Android TV box is compatible with IPTV, you'll find our device check and consultation link in the video description and pinned comment. Use the link to tell us your device model, your region, and what you mainly want to watch. Our team can walk you through the available authorized options, device requirements, and setup process so you understand everything before making a decision. You don't have to figure out complicated technology on your own, and you definitely shouldn't download random apps from websites you don't trust. Let's quickly recap. IPTV is a way of delivering television through the internet. Your Fire Stick runs the player organizes and plays the programming, and the IPTV service provides the content. Once you understand those three pieces, you understand how IPTV works. If this video answered your questions, tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.